Hey there, Jason here with Senpex. In this video, I'm going to show you how very easy it is to schedule a delivery on our website. So first, go to web.senpex.com. Down here, click Schedule a Delivery. On this page, you'll give us the pickup and drop-off addresses. So let's just say we're going to pick up at the Charlotte Airport and then drop it off at Bank of America Stadium. Now, if you have multiple pickup addresses delivering to one location, we can accommodate that as well. Just click the next pickup button here. If you have multiple pickup locations delivering to just one drop-off location, we can accommodate that as well. So next drop-off, pretty simple stuff. For this example, we'll just use one pickup, one drop-off. Click Continue here. Put in the value of your parcel, and then the size down here. We have all different sizes and then all different types of vehicles that we can pick up your parcels in as well. One thing to note, we do have refrigerated cargo vans, so if that's something that you need, we can accommodate that. Let's just say for this example, we'll just use small. Click Continue here. Pickup time. If it's urgent, that's pretty self-explanatory, right? You need it picked up now, delivered same day, that type of thing. We can accommodate that. Scheduling a pickup, let's say, you know what, we need this picked up tomorrow, Friday the 22nd. Put in whatever time you need. And then down here, repeated weekly, let's say you have the same products that need picked up at the same time and delivered the same time every week, maybe Monday through Friday. You can obviously schedule those in here, and then it's just on repeat. You only need to set this up once, and then you're good to go. Now, if that is the case, I would reach out to a member of our sales team because we may have a special promo code that we can offer you if you do have a lot of repeat deliveries each and every week. For this example, let's just schedule a pickup for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Calculate price. It'll shoot out a quote to you. All right, $56.89. Insurance for $30. Everyone in the service industry loves a tip. You can give your driver a tip right here. Let's just say we're going to do $5 for this driver. Click Continue and tell us what it is. It's something fragile. Maybe it's a laptop. Driver instructions, very fragile. And down here, just the sender's first and last name. So, and then 70 phone number, and then down here, whoever's going to be receiving the product, and then their phone number as well. And then you can even put in special descriptions here if you have a gate code, something like that. Click Continue. Payment options, credit card. Or if you prefer, we can create a payment link and email you, and then you can pay it via that link, and then your order will be created. One thing I will note is once you complete the order here and send for payment, create a login account. That way you can actually track the shipment. And let me show you how that works really, really quick. That way you have an idea of what it'll look like, and then you can track everything. So log into your account, click My Orders here, and then completed orders on the left. Let's just pick one here. This one, click the details of it, and then it'll tell you everything you need to know. And one other thing, it'll show you pictures that everything was delivered. So just for proof of delivery. And hope that helps. If you have any questions, reach out to our sales team, and we'd be glad to give you some assistance if you need it. Thanks.